Now come to the next topic, Cauchy-Riemann equation in polar coordinates. As we know earlier that r and theta are the polar coordinates. Now we change the equations, the Cauchy-Riemann equations in polar coordinates. Then we have x equals to r cos theta and y equals to r sin theta. If we squaring and adding both the equations, we get x square plus y square equals to r square. And if we divide second one part from the first, we get the value of theta equals to tan inverse y by x. Now differentiate partially equation 2 with respect to x and y. If we differentiate this equation partially with respect to x, then we get 2x plus 2y. Y is a constant with respect to x, therefore differential is 0. Then 2r del r over del x. Hence we get del r over del x equals to x upon r, and that is equals to cos theta. If we put the value of x, r cos theta, we get the value as cos theta. That is del r over del x equals to cos theta. Again, we differentiate this equation with respect to y. Then with respect to x, differentiation is 0. With respect to y is 2y, and equals to r square is, r is the function of x and y both. Therefore, 2r del r over del y. This implies del r over del y equals to y upon r. And put the value of y, r sin theta, and that is equals to sin theta. Now, again differentiate theta equals to tan inverse y by x with respect to x and with respect to y. Then del theta over del x equals to tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. Therefore, 1 upon 1 plus y upon x whole square. We differentiate with respect to x, then y is constant. Therefore, y as it is, and 1 upon x, differential of 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square. We solve this, we get the value minus y upon x square plus y square. We change the value in r and theta. Therefore, we put the value of x and y minus r sin theta upon r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta. Then we get minus sin theta upon r. Again, del theta over del y equals to 1 upon 1 plus tan inverse x is equals to, the differential of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. Therefore, 1 upon 1 plus y upon x whole square. Differential of y is 1 and x is constant, then as it is. We get x upon x square plus y square. We put the value of x and y, then we get the value cos theta upon r. Now, here we change the terms in r theta. Then we use the formula of total differentiation. Total differentiation, del u over del x. Del u over del x, u is the function of, we have to change u in terms of r and theta. Therefore, del u over del x equals to, x is also the function of r and theta. Then we differentiate one time with respect to r and second time with respect to theta. Therefore, del u over del r into del r over del x plus del u over del theta into del theta over del x. We break the term differentiation, partial differentiation del u over del x in terms of r and theta. Then put the value del u over del r as it is into del r over del x is cos theta plus del u over del theta as it is, del theta over del x is minus sin theta upon r. Again, del u over del y equals to del u over del r into del r over del y plus del u over del theta into del theta over del y. Again, we differentiate with respect to r and theta and put the value of del r over del y and del theta over del y. That is del u over del r as it is, del r over del y is sin theta plus del u over del theta as it is, del theta over del y is cos theta upon r. Again, del v over del x, if again differentiate with r and theta, then we get differentiate and put the values in cos and sin theta. Hence, again we find the value del v over del y in terms of r and theta. Now, by Cauchy-Riemann equations, we have Cauchy-Riemann equations in Cartesian form are del u over del x equals to del v over del y and del u over del y equals to del v over del x. Now substitute the values of del u over del x, del u over del y, del v over del x and del v over del y in terms of r and theta. Then we substitute in this equation the values of the partial differentiation in Cartesian form and get the value in r and theta. First equation is del u over del r cos theta plus del u over del theta into minus sine theta upon r equals to del v over del r sine theta plus del v over del theta cos theta upon r. Again, del u over del r sine theta plus del u over del theta cos theta upon r equals to minus del v over del x, and the value is del v over del r cos theta plus del v over del theta sine theta upon r. Now we have to solve these equations second and third and get the Cauchy-Riemann equation in polar form. How can we solve this? Check del u over del r. One multiple of del u over del r is cos theta, and second multiple of del u over del r is sine theta. Then we multiply equation 2 by cos theta and equation 3 by sine theta, and adding, we get the value of del u over del r. Here we get cos square theta plus sine square theta, that is equals to 1. In this part, minus sine theta cos theta upon r, and in this part cos theta sine theta upon r. Then by positive and negative sign, the value will be cancelled. Therefore, we get del u over del r equals to, now in second part, we get here sine theta, here cos theta. If we multiply sine theta by cos theta, then sine theta cos theta, and we multiply equation 3 by sine theta, then we get minus sine theta cos theta. Then again this value will be cancelled, and from this 1 upon r is constant, and cos square theta plus sine square theta is 1. Then we get the value in terms of r and theta, del u over del r equals to 1 upon r del v over del theta. Similarly, again we multiply equation 2 by sine theta and equation 3 by cos theta and subtract. Then we get the next equation, that is 1 upon r del u over del theta equals to minus del v over del r. Now both these equations 4 and 5 are known as Cauchy-Riemann equation in polar form. Okay.